In this video, I'll show you how you can follow hashtags on LinkedIn. So basically there used to be something like this. So when you type hashtag open to work, there was some group of like this and you can follow this group. But if I type hashtag open to work, you will only find, let's say, people which are open to work or some companies, groups. So LinkedIn like changed those hashtags and it's not available anymore like it used to be. So basically what you can do, for example, if I type project management, you can find posts. If you click on more, you will see there is hashtag project management, so you can only find it like this. Or let's say I'm gonna type hashtag Asana, and from here you can follow official Asana, or you can find posts about it. So if I click more, as you can see, there is this hashtag Asana, hashtag project management, but you can't find things like those. So you can't follow hashtags anymore in LinkedIn. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.